Why is the U.S. military seeking $67 billion after the 2026 Iran war? The answer reveals massive post-war costs and unexpected military needs you might never guess. After the 2026 Iran war, the U.S. military faces enormous costs beyond battlefield expenses. The $67 billion request includes replacing destroyed equipment, repairing bases, and funding extended troop deployments. Wars often leave behind damaged infrastructure and logistical challenges that require substantial rebuilding efforts. These costs accumulate quickly, making post-war budgets sometimes larger than expected. This funding also supports ongoing security operations in the region to prevent further instability. The 2026 conflict exposed gaps in U.S. military technology and strategy. In response, the military plans to invest heavily in next-generation weapons, cyber defense, and intelligence capabilities. This shift demands significant funding to modernize forces and prepare for future threats. The $67 billion also supports training and recruitment to replenish personnel lost or fatigued during the war. These evolving priorities explain why the budget request is so large and forward-looking, rather than just covering past costs. The Iran war altered the geopolitical landscape, prompting the U.S. to strengthen alliances and increase its military footprint worldwide. This broader strategic response requires funding for new bases, joint exercises, and equipment transfers to allies. Maintaining regional stability is costly, but deemed essential to prevent further conflicts. Thus, part of the $67 billion supports these global commitments that emerged from the war's ripple effects. The $67 billion military request after the 2026 Iran war reflects more than just battlefield costs. It includes rebuilding efforts, advanced technology investments, and a broader global strategy to maintain stability. Understanding these layers reveals the true scale of modern conflicts. For more surprising answers to questions you never thought to ask, hit subscribe on Daily Q&A.